Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beginners Lab. In our previous video, we have learned how to create a bootable pendrive. Now, with the help of that bootable pendrive, we are going to install Linux in our system. I am taking an external device for doing this. You can do alongside with your window also. So, without wasting our time, let's start. So, firstly, attach the pendrive and press your boot manager key. So as you are seeing, my system is started. My boot manager key is F9 in HP. So I selected. See here, you can see that our Sony pen drive is visible, which we have created as a bootable device. So let's press enter and enter this. I have pressed the enter. Then you will see this. Just again press and enter and just wait for our PC to get start. So as you can see that our Ubuntu has been started. This is the environment of our Linux that we are going to work with. So now see here you can see the installer. So just click on this, select your language what you want, which is obviously English only. Then next step, accessibilities in Ubuntu. No, just we don't need them. Just click on next. Then select your keyboard type, click on next. Then you can see here Wi-Fi, which I have already connected before this class to record. Now next, interactive or automatic means basically you can select any according to you. I'm selecting the interactive. Then now you can here see the default selection and extended selection. Default selection is fine. You need the third party app sometimes, so it's better to click. But if you don't also, then also you are not having some kind of harm or something. Then the second one also, let's leave the second. Okay, it's taking some time to process now. Okay, how do you want to install it? See, the first option is for everyone who want it alongside window. Then again open boot manager and select the one you want to open. So the second time is means I'm having an external device, I'm deleting it fully and I will install in that. So let's alongside window I have selected. So here you have to fill the credential, they are same only. So let's go with the second one. Okay, second one only we need to create a partition. So this is the only main step in second one. Otherwise, I will just tell you when you will go in first one, you have to fill your credentials only. The page will appear. So let me select my 256. So this page has appeared there also. So there you can fill this directly, then open boot manager and log in. This is so keeping my name for now as a Drago. That's my gaming name. Some guys maybe have guessed or some not. Okay, fill your credentials very much carefully. You need to remember this. Sometimes we just fill them, it's not like that. Select the country, I'm in India. So review your choices. This is the main thing you have to see. The previous steps which you have done are here. Click on next. Now just wait for the process. See, it's copying. So just wait for the process. So as you can see now installing is there. And now switch to okay, setting up the system. See guys, I'm doing time skip, so it's looking very quick, but I'm showing you everything. What are the things that will come now installed? Now what you have to do, you have to just reset your PC. You have to just restart your system to work, to make it work fine. So that's the last step. And guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope this video helped you. Thank you.